The OneDrive mobile app is a great way to quickly get pictures of your expense receipts and have them uploaded directly into OneDrive to access from your computer later. If you haven't already installed the OneDrive application on your mobile device, you can search and install it directly from the Google Play Store or iOS App Store. Once you install it, open it and log in with your work email and Windows password, then come back to this video and follow along. For the rest of us, let's jump right in. Start by opening the OneDrive application on your mobile phone. At the bottom of the application, we'll tap Files. At minimum, we should see our desktop, documents, and pictures folders, or you may have more custom folders like I have. At this point, let's navigate to where we'd like to upload our expenses into. Once we're at the location where we'd like to upload our expenses, tap the plus sign in the upper right corner. Now, I haven't taken any photos of my receipts yet. We're going to use the scan option instead of the take a photo option because the scan option allows us to crop and add lighting effects to the final photo. If prompted, choose either only this time or while using the app, depending on your preference. Choosing one of these options is required if you want OneDrive to be able to access your phone's camera. OneDrive should now have our camera app open, and the blue edges that we see is the app trying to recognize the edges of the object that we're capturing. If it's not perfect, don't worry about it. We can change the cropping effect in the next step. When you're ready to take the picture, tap the big white circle towards the bottom of the screen. Once we've taken the picture, we can use our finger to adjust the cropping of the border. It doesn't need to be perfect, just as long as the receipt is legible. When you're finished, tap Confirm in the lower right corner. You'll now have some more editing options like rotating the picture, going back to adjust the crop, and adding filters. If you tap Filter, you can see previews of all the different filter options. When you're finished making edits, tap Done in the lower right corner. We can see exactly what folder we're about to save this picture to. This is also your opportunity to rename the picture before you save. You can rename it by tapping here. If you choose not to rename it now, you can always rename it later if you need to. When you're finished, tap the check mark in the upper right corner. We may not see the picture instantaneously, but it shouldn't take too long for it to upload. How long it takes for the picture to show in the area that we're trying to upload it to really depends on your specific network conditions. To refresh the folder, you can hold your finger at the center of the screen and drag your finger down. As soon as you release your finger, the folder will refresh. But keep in mind, you won't see the recently scanned picture until it's done uploading. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. If your company would benefit from decreasing their Tier 1 help desk tickets by providing custom-tailored video modules and PDF documentation to your employees, our email is info@pixstag.com. We'll see you at the next one.